Hi, it's Miłosz. Welcome to the next episode of Yepp AI Essentials. In this video, I will introduce you to our marketing templates. Let's get it started. As you can see, there are many placements available. First of all, social media like Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, but not only. You can also create scripts for YouTube videos, TikToks, Google Ads or Meta Ads, and then the marketing emails, newsletters, or even product descriptions. The advantage from these templates is that when you choose the one that interests you, you don't have to worry about writing a correct prompt. Yepp does it for you. Take a look. Each placement has a customized form for its given requirements. Let's create a sample Facebook post. Starting from the top, it highlights in blue the possibility to select the previously uploaded assets folders with knowledge about your company, customers, or any other topic. This ensures you that the created content will be personalized and based on accurate information. Next, specify the number of words, the post's type, tone of voice, and the language in which the post will be written. Importantly, to each of these options, we give you a few of our suggestions, but it's only an aid from our part. You can describe it in your way, in any language, and Yepp will understand everything. The only thing left to do is to indicate what you want to write about and set the target audience. And here is your post. You can give further prompts or save it for later. To find saved content, select the Saved button visible in the main marketing panel. Accelerate the quality content creation together with Yepp. Until the next one.